The Akibia to us with Ramane, here was some old draw now, ye de airborne shootout, ye transisia fisem nankwa, and the Bomo deaba, never be the home coma, a Boama Shishenu Kuyi Kama Pretty Meraman, Sarabiko, Farmer Abua for more a cry sia, Yababa Transia Jumadia di Remit Meraman, 21st can compare Vosamentonkra, na men control zebra, na Omasuya de Boamo Pumdino, a wepe Nanema de Yepa, Etimiera Madia Momon common ye Dennis, a banisiatic on sense. Omo damufua ejuma omo ye no ya de damu sonko ebeboa ama wogia wona so na ne makoye pa etimi edi amana mu nkomo no ese ne tie uyobi a ene no wa transe ama to asintini no etwetwon edi ramo sisi odi ramo hye achi obebi so wahwe entimi entu ana ma da bi no o baba be ubu bia ba ko a ye be na ya bomode etimi aso ano de ama wogia wona so na hyehye na koye rama na 21st kene komo na be na ya bona bibia de yi so no etimi edi amanya no nkoyare no fruity suba besi unase no ye brena etimi aso ano etimi ra ma ko mo a omo lab kese e bedusu ni aboa na scan services no etimi ato aso ntinde no ba ne diabetes stroke ne dia aka no nyina omo bodwuma Friday be after work no to form aso ye ko na ye mo na ye etimi massage no omo de ne de pa ye so machine treatment a ye reba kan na anyoma waboa amamoja ne die fusane ye na ne ma ada de da amount 21st can no so ko na okokojwa isa more than 15 branches Ghana bibia omubo ejuma Kumasi ahwe overseas junction omo ebena afraid oboase council court score junction bi yomakra adomi unyo omo sunyane enkraza techiman bibia omo ebo ejuma mo number ni 0249 311 0249 311 0540 311 0540 311 nembwa na ne mande da di performa drinks no mienu eno ana na yegusu bobo bobia eme ahode sonkopa bako mixer 5G habama ni ndiaba ashimu ma unye bi na aboa cafe sembi eni me sambo akra esiesi ni pedua no ema ujan na so ye papa dinegara na o ma adwena de benya no grapes no ebo modin ayeyemu niama no ema ne ye dwuma na fe jinsen no eno so eyi ntinima ebo ama moja ne die fusane aye mema de kra emi esisi ni mu ye din na green tea no ebebo ama body shape no wanya ne ye pantu jodi akọ na kokoje mixer 5G omo ana bo mode de miso fruit drinks no ababa be ram na emu ede ena ye na aba abedi to na aba de dodo na aba be hiem no enu bia na wo so je na ebo ana ne mada ye pa etimi edi ema kama party fana man na komodi de bia eni mpinfo ndi 0246 270-221 0246 270-221 0558 106348 0558 106348 niambwa na hyehyɛ no koyi kama so no etimi afama nti omadaroma yewromu ni ndidi nkoma akra na emwa manema de ye pa etimi afama dia the Ghana Football Association pay for a confirm is temporary no orwani chemo tamela amabomode omo secretariat no horoma so a edi akwa kodu sere beboa na ya woda abato a yebeto no niama be de ye pa etimiere ama mu nkomo no amo jeze we ne beboa madwumadi omudi ne hyehye awdo no omudi guna kwama ebeboa ma efe elections no niama de ye na dwumadi no etimi aba be krabre nti no amabomodi ano pawie no amo de release aba omo confirm zen no temporary no omo secretariat no akwaku mo tamale etie no ye nkomo aba betodwa me di romu so no etimiere ama ye romu me die ma Sporting Club Limited o maso ya no pa no me bo kakra ma utie ni na ene zo mobo mode ma press conference no etimi rana mu nkomo no na deputy minister for lands and natural resources no an MP edema takwa nsoaye ni di no ye friend George Mekuduka opempa ni di candidate nkomo ebo mode kan semene family ma jumadi o mu di ere mo man Ghana no na sei no obo mode de nsem no etudwa
more than a decade that Ghana got to this level, and it's a Herculean achievement. It hasn't been easy. You could see lots of ministers who were on the field, political actors who were on the field, giving support to Oroya. So why can't we do same in Ghana and push our team forward to a level that we've not been able to since 11 years? Ghana has to come together and realize that it's time for us to be honored on this continent. We have the talents, we have the pedigree to be where we expected to be. And I'm urging supporters, of this country, actors of football in this country, government, to come together and support Mediema Sporting Club. We have wherewithal to get to where Ghanaians expect us to be.
Etia no ye koma wapo body etimi edi eramani na boa manema dadin pa ze wo se ne ehwe na ye boa na etimi eta media mechi zanza bakwasem no ma ye pa more than decade na just o check here 10 years ekwa animu kakra na ye nye teams ni bi after Brekum Chelsea so performing Ejana National CAF Champions League no run the money zone na rejuma media ma ye na mo pia for na wo sa basbody no erame de mo anso a osambo mo di ankomo sei e no sande to aso
participate in the CAF Championship. We are going to make history. I'm urging other companies who are also in the region. Ghana Gas is there, Anglo Gold. Already Anglo Gold supported us with about $40,000, which the president has asked me to thank them. However, we will need more, and also ask Goldfields to rescind their decision on the letter they wrote to us, indicating that they are unable to sponsor Mediema. That is very unfortunate. As part of their corporate social responsibilities, we expect them to carry Mediema along and hold our hands to make Ghana proud. We're not only going to participate.
Atia no ye command e pin pa na bo mo de tu judges ampa omo hwe na omo aye nhihia wodo na aboa ama bibibia etimi akoyie pa e de ama team no nti omehia ka ofodo do na so beba on board no ma baba beta me de machi after no san chechimze ni omunya krata bi efia ngugu da shanti o check de omo de bae na en command omo di ni cheze isi ano omo entimi enhwe emboa mane man de emfa ma me de ama na mo sa krata no mo ntwensan na omo ntrance entu ana mo bi ebeboa na nhihye no ebekoyi kama pa etimi ra mo nti no enkomo pimpa na bomo de etimi edi atudwa yemfio ne enko Mediema president Mosisama opimpa no so di nkomo akra on qualification omo nya omo eramo de money zone say no bomo de nsem no etimi jai
and all forms of support to make our result championship journey successful. We do not want to be mere participants in this competition. Hence our call this morning for the government and corporate Ghana to come to our aid. Our experience in participating in the CAF club competitions has taught us that you need not less than $150,000 to play in the game, depending on where you are traveling to. For example, our 2 games we played before qualification cost us $300,000. And this is the reality on the grounds playing in Africa.
Atia no ye koma ne obo mo de retudwa to check out South Africa no beba wa match uni akra no was onya be $150,000 matches me no omo boy ya omo di du ano ka no mambo kra no omo bo be say $300,000 a ejezampa sika ni yiska mu edu pa in Africa ne bono enya de keto akra tie no ye nkomo pimpa no ebo mo de timere tudwa ne de ono so timere after no na ne coach efeni Evans Augustine Adote edidi nkomo de di kan no o kan challenges a wo forma aboama me de ma baba bedu sa stage we na say na pimpa no bo mo de nkomo ni jai.
My secret I want to share with you today. As I speak, we are facing challenges. Challenges 1, injury. When you talk of medical, the doctor is here to prove. We need to manage players sometimes. We need to motivate, we need to encourage players. Just die for the club. Your dignity is at stake. Die for yourself. And lo and behold, we were able to go through the final stage. This time around, we are in a group stage. Media are playing away from home, traveling from Takwa to Badenya, Cape Coast, playing, coming back. At the same time, we have to engage other opponents in the ongoing league competition. Just imagine.
Eltia no ye command e pin pa bo won de timere to dwa wa bo won de achechi prani ade omunya omaba ababa be do the stage wa mananso osan ni nkomo wi di chair yen sentwofo no se toda ya ye from one any place ni bi di nkoma ya ye nyi ni se ne no na beboa ma bibia akoye pe timere amo.
Anytime you call the coaches, anytime you call the players, I will add something to motivate us, encourage us, stop on condemning. Some of you do, I said. Even this morning, and to grant interview on 2 radio stations, I refused. Sometimes you call me, I'll tell you, make kasa, because if a player misses an opportunity, the coach is in trouble. So anytime you call me, please motivate us, motivate me, and motivate the club as well. God bless you all. The media.
Eltia no ye de ram na abo amanema de da ye pa. Etimi edi amon na abo amanema koyi kama so no etimi edi amanti esa pepe era mun komo no esi etia ye de iram etimi era amanti no ye ne na chese mediema Sporting Club Limited kokoku jiamu boejuma e wa bibre mo nya qualification road the morning zone na oso moba e ba be shia central for na nkoma e wo no omobo modern edi minyana ntie zo mo game against Nation FC no ye see a postpone afeni e twen so official date no e beba na ababiram ne ahuda ye bebo sa game no na aboa na hye na koyi kama pa etimi ede amomo na munkomo no yara musa na yare nyiwe so emfa enfio odo ani jema KGL tournament no gusu ekoso e o hano ma ne under 17 no regional odo na no ma baba be hia na game baako ekoso a Greater Accra e bomode echi no the region e bomeka no e mako enuma na jeze munkomo no na no edin ye papa wi ye bomode nya kofo momusia na mu ho no ma na akomia ho bishop na afiso no Michael Asaribodu a omoko koko ye adwuma no munkomo ne sede niam na esi akwa ne sede nhyehyɛ no esi etie no ene coach a ono ejina mu etimi edema no de ni no ye frene Samuel Kuju White ono na coach edema UDS and a Real Tamale United o assistant coach no ba kono no ye no so nanche no na is a waje adwuma no kra sisi aso no oro ni echima na cheze Northern Region no juvenile football no e ban under 17 no assistant coach no na pimpa ni din komo 5 na dia no edin say no odin nchemu ne mai.
Our group is only Greater Accra who has the maximum 9 points from 3 games. We have 3 from 3 games. Our other opponents have 3 from 3 games, and it's level 1 match for us to play tomorrow, which I know that we can win to also better our chances of progressing to the next stage. So our chances in the competition is not over. In our group,
Eltia no ye command e pin pa na pomo de ria to ya jeze womze di maya e makoma kunum na so no so gidi so mo chances e o group nim no anya de ye over mo hwe na omo akonkode na abo amanema etimi ada ye kama pretimi ra ma be ya ba clinic ma me abi semenka emfa nchoze ne o ye be ma wa ye mre wo mpemu ade ni so a o peso pija mo be na yaboa na sa hyehyɛ na koye pera ma long spare count ya de a owura mo ma me no aso obe no waboa nam yare no ore yi di fi o baby girls no ma so ye no e wo se bibi chiche ye de ya kono eba mesa na aboa masundwe etimi abafie o ha tena ni no how say diabetes malaria na afi so kra no akoko ewo so a ni na maame no etimi so a no yare ba ko a egu nkofu ni ma se pe twa yaye na maame na aboa etimi aso ano ambo nkofo ejuom na so antoto ne koyi so no etimi ere mamu tiru amu na maame no nyame nam no so ye adwuma pa zenne akwada na wawo na ese nchu obe fim no se maame abi ti ase de obeboa ma nyame ama akwada na nya yaye sana ne ma adade era manti sekese sensem de odamufu a kwa sickle test no scan test no or tano so apatrapa new site or bena patrapa junction on the number ni 0243 345392 0243 and at 0506 460208 0506 460208 niambwa na hyehyende da yie pa entimi emfama na tutu no so no enko kama pa emfama de za pepe era mun koma na baba beram na Sompa sika promotion no no so yenu nkoma akra entimi emfancho na simple kra ni na ze neta wa media and abomode de hyehyɛ bia baba beram etimi da mo bibia titu omo hwe ne omo mutie no na se ne tie ye ba beboa mo anya sika puduo pa ere ahye obotom ni nyina so wo akwanya zo obomode 5 Ghana cedis pe na betimi ediaramo na aboama ne ma dadi e ama se Fred mawa utimi nya be se 20,000 Ghana cedis iska emu edu papa ndimre no so a eno ano zo obomode na wada to short code we star 256 star free hash star 256 star free hash na warum ubonze be ma zeni no choose station na ope edizo kuma sempatamu na o Ghana bibia utimi fa Sompa FM Sompa TV 93.1 FM utimi fa Sompa Sunyane 98.9 FM Sompa Nkranza 90.7 Afita 1 TV no bibia o de ma obo modern etimi ato akrade no dodo na so no unya akwanya se una abedi na aboama ne ma dadi peda ma draw ne ade no ye twine live ma uza mpase ne tie to number ne apia wanya ska bibiri na aboa ma ne ma dadi impretimi ra ma dimra no so a fa ho hwe ne mo ma ne ma nko ye pen fa ma National Lottery Authority for abomodin a ne ma bi o se erigu na kwamu bia no eda na kwama ya abomodin de ro ma ebo a qualifies as a game we no so no onso betimi awram na afo we ne so a terms and conditions ya dey apply no ma ebo ama tutu ne ko ye pa etimi de ma krobia komase asante korokona e transe any team a ye form Karela United game no end in a draw to join here now wa highlight ni bia tumu se na no e din papa na mun komo no after the game Richmond Lamptey e kasa kakra de che koroko fans ni ze munya abotre mon koso amon support o no ogidie pa so mesi ababa be drum na so ayijuma say no de no komo ni jai
Nde koso na because any opack no so na yabo nti nde koso the message that come o ma support so no say on koso an won arishemu ewe mu na ye ngo mo ni masida on koso an support here because if you support omuni wa ni ho nti ne srobo e lo koso fight am as an to player and I say as an to team no obo o win so a enye matim no nti na win anyway team so mo hwe ni say win rock faba
Eltia no ye commande no wapomode etimera to Jani na boa mane ma dadi pa na coach Malik Jabe Johnny Elzona after the game no odidi din koma akra na pimpa no area futu ama Dr. Prosper na Teogun.
I will tell him that he should get a table number 9 so that he stops the number 4 and 5 from coming up. And then again, I will tell him they should support the attack. The defenders should support the attack. That's what I will tell him that I
know your command your pomodieri to judges and pa ompe number 9 dia ne obejina 4 and 5 for no so no ma hwa kan boma ye djuma no na aboa mane ma deda ye kama pa etimi ede amom na aboa amade omope no omonsa etimi akana hihye na da ye so etimi ra momanso a ere ewram didi nkoma na ze maso ageman mbre bi atwam na obo edjuma de ma krobia kumasi asante korokona ne waramu o Karela oni omo eyejuma na de dike biza ageman kotoko no baaye no ase yanhye da huni yo na de ne den ere course o krobia wan kasa hunu so baaye no ne ma fa ma o se no bomode ni chemu ne
Uncle bad processes coach bia o players okay yeah and there here so be focus na won give up na be bako wani eno bibia uncle bad processes coach bia o players okay yeah and there here so be focus na won give up na be bako wani eno
Eltia no ye command your bomodi etimeri gen after no Evans Domako redu na the goalmonger so bomodi didi nkoma akra na no so no dia na asesa woni game ni we ni so okrobia na nko criticize no pass the ball no aso mo nheda huni ye ni ade na say no so de 72 ya
say o share me lowa me call Karela me call hono no I think say omu humiye na omuhu kwanya ombefa so omu be yusumiye because omu start say omu bomb arrowhead no nyeme na meka bia hu die eko nti Evans adomako na okotoko no ni Evans adomako Karela bibia no mo sa talent ndi wo mi mo but difference om ni kotoko no e wo different run amebo ana Karela no so no e wo different run amebo nti na ma manfo hu sa say Evans a pick form but nye bibi hu bia but ne
tia no ye koma obo mode etimere to yabara mon sansi mi so na minti ade
o share Milo and me call Karela. Me call Honomano, I think say Omu Humiye. Now Omu Kwaya on Befaso, Omu baby Sumiye. Because Omu started to say Omu bomb arrowhead no. Nyemana Meka. Ubia Hundi Aircraft. Inti Evans Adomakano Kotokono, ni Evans Adamako Karela. Ubia one more talent in the woman. But difference of me Kotokono, a different one amebo. Ana Karela no so no, a different one amebo. Inti na mama who say even as I pick it from, but maybe be more, but no we that. Say Ocean Milo and me call.
Tia no ye chimo bo modi etime be na after no ye bizanze ade krobia no obaba be wura mo no ne sere niam esi ekoye no obeka se chances no nye na wantiki ana se na niam esi kwa ni ade ade a ni na obo modi didi on komo no so no timi echeche mu ti go manga no no oba bed power Ghana Premier League on Steven Amankona ene lidi go kina nei amunyina kra free goals a eboa mantoto ene da yie pa etimi ede emo muntimu komo didie no ene sere munsem no esietie ene sere munchemu ne siko no obomodi didi koma odo na eboa man hihye no ede da yie kama pa so no etimi ede emo munti yakọ ne kokotie no so nkomo de tudwa
anyame na meka obi anim ana me start say me ball as arrowhead no eno ne de beto me but not a single game and the many chance me ball as arrowhead even when I'm operating from wings no cry no sometimes I contribute to goals in the near the man protocol no chances I can me my favorite position me pa ebia sana meka no ebia nanka ekowie bibi ye ma no anyame
tia no ye command your bomb de je na just any position oba wa mama minya ne abobo no ntenten no ane ade a but ono kra no contribute na ye de ne bo animu ago monga minim no pa kwa obehye goals bibiri go monga on the negotiate the akomi over go monga fan negotiate the agro all the day
on konto no mo no bo no nyane form no mo na de
how
you see there was this game the FA Cup game I think Kotoko ni future stars
yes
obo hat-trick
yeah
so game on the ball as arrowhead what I say
yeah
and on only position as arrowhead during that time one and only no compete with Kotoko
oh ze bizu amama na kwenya no that we ona kwa mbukumo
we mona kwa mbuku ana Mbella on time na Mbella
ba
Mbella wo no
Sompa Sports
Mbella wo no till that time no FA Cup any league what I say because Kotoko na mo Africa so ya we
but omo mo am you
Kotoko na mo Africa
monga be tu kwa mbuku
monga beto kwa mbugu
aza monga mufi monga Mbella mo be no de monga polo no
kwa me poku free
monga de be strike oba beto no ye kwa mbugu bishop mo ame kaka
kwa me poku su ko e na
Mbella aza apostle mo de Mbella mo bae no na mo de ni kolo
yes
on beto no bo no mo ambo
but during those times na kwa me poku
na kwa mbugu no na we ho
na we ball as arrowhead in FA Cups na kwa me poku abo as arrowhead for league games what you say ene man ko ball hat-trick was FA Cup game now make can wasem no now there comes what's up back in Mbella na yede e wo ho itiam mention Mbella with the form ekuta no ne bo arrowhead ana these are clubs at the level of competition they will say man even half class a center forward that you need to push forward and Karela gave him the opportunity and he's doing well and they do there or some more goals in there but the circumstances he found himself in Kotoko after that time on any day I don't think the club was at fault. Oh yes. On any day, I don't think the club was at fault. And club no kwampo so amfana nkolo won Karela no so akobe dey. Abu.
Is it all form?
Nam sika club na amfana nkolo no Karela ma na nkobo sa abo na as arrowhead na akowai. Would you say o club bi so won so akobe ye o tena nchen tena se. Ye be o second uko contract na enwu that time. It ye be yo boy FA Cup you muzu na club you boy first one you mu free this ready is gabenya do say na abo
fair to say this boy rather made the right career decisions oba Kotoko no hu say emfa no ye man assurances and the promises money monga na sika no ojo team na was super
yeah na mu edu
he was really paid very well but na ha no say on mobile ni bi and how many times one go complaining go monga a players na coach upon UC omo Far Rangers
yes
oni atakumi and he was in the number 11 jersey. Adomakuni attack me na no more Fire Rangers. So attack me call Portugal. And Adomako call Serbia.
Oh, okay.
You get it. No mun nyina ho. E chain na o kasa o complain na o chain na na do aba na we sa good animase. But he genuinely felt so no so bit mabobon.
Yeah.
At some point na some oboati mun nyina on anim. Let's be honest. But Oko Karelan, there has never been a moment Abit Maka say on your Juma said, man, he's a player in form and he's been in form for a while. Nina is an indictment on Kotoko pathway, any development of players. What team we signed for what? Okay, yeah, well, strikers do saying. Someone Bella who hardly got injured. Some of Boating and Monga Beko. Because we need you get the point. He made the right choices post Kotoko. Yambon abaso but Oka say support any playing time at the man phone. So Nyebia. Kobe
and
Pampoku got the support and he did it.
Bishop. We've seen players are more and each people are pushing for them say they are being biabo. Ebina de be sorry no kaba ba ya ase bi. How many minutes baba ya ba Kotoko, how many games one started?
Ozea no one thing.
What did they mention? But no matter what to bebembiano, people will expect to see baba ya again. The club did its part. Also, why your part? Wako loan, wako Karela, wako performing. It ends there. Your sound permanent. It ends there. No be art and the baby no be art. Me ako the baby no be as much me adrenaline.
Oh, na come here same way. Oh, she amonga bibi beside us as
Abu.
Say ye the monga ba. And na ye nimsa ade akotoko. Omo bro ho pa no so omo people we she goes amom. Na we know Kotoko. Ye de ne kolon. Okoye no akoshe goals bi bra amom. Season na chance ya bo free matches wa she free goals. Edu ye ze joru shi ara miza.
Ye na chese monga so ba Kotoko akobeti ma she 3 goals no.
And also there na chese bia oba e ti se bishop ka omo ma na akwenya
so it is 50-50, so you take baby I want to accept it, move on and don't try to aim jabs at the club. Because there's no surety.
On ka bibia ehubia.
Look,
there's a
difference between Mama subtle jab and some kind of crucial. The reality is that he was not giving playing time.
I knew there were most games in the FA Cup he was giving. Even Kotoko has to focus across Sports Stadium. What a big game that was.
Did he start?
He started that game. First time from our class Sports Stadium.
Look, you see, then we go back to Omobon Wayne. Your man is specific instructions that you should operate from the wing. He's not comfortable then to your bar and what him.
Before na Kotoko and Fegi Nembele Beba Omoni Diana game be 0-0. Ewo Domahin Chrono. Bishop what guys that game no?
Yeah.
0-0 be play.
Yeah.
Or be ball 10 minutes be on. 10 minutes no be boy.
Yeah.
Now who say opposed to a player on? Who say Ghana ni or perception be say wasan. But a player who say on your be abeka so nya di o. Bishop minim so kai sa final 10 minutes. E ka da kran ko oba be share aduana for na Joseph Ado Yesif no. Ordinity pimbo obi no obi anim se na atom. And Joseph Ado save. Eti na sem no oka no. Oka future stars dey na man no kwan so play 90 minutes on no. O share 3 goals. So oka sa akwa me hu boni bi e wo mo.
And me boni me where I'm coming from Nigina say. From Kotoko he had opportunities to play. And number 2, the circumstances he found himself at Kotoko. Oni Bella, Oni Kwame Poku. And these are players at Arrowhead no. You are not going to get ahead of them. It will maybe some of what cry ahead of you. So the decision has been made. Kotoko accepted. You want to go to Luno Karela. Yamaoko. And no Krampono as a career partner will choose you know. Club no support it or ultimate call you know. Krampo ya the say at least me decided say me choose the career part say me call Karela as a lone player no. All right, Kotoko so supporting me pushing me my medical. And Karela Nkwane club ano mo pay Ivan Sadoma ko on loan na.
Oh, the team CB.
What Kotoko could have entered into another negotiation with another club and decided say we must can be a loan fee no. I was look at credit ko. But the club also thought about it and it's not a unilateral decision, it's both of them their decisions. It's a woman na at a point in time to make a good career path for the guy.
Oh, is it top notch?
Oh, for sure.
See there.
For sure.
Oh, Jumala.
Go no be sure and you say no. There are a lot of strikers best. Make man can say 80% of Ghana strikers best. Ghana Premier League strikers best is about. How City 50-50 two defenders or more pressure no.
See the 19.
No come fast so the 19 the ball no control net no. It takes a lot of courage. Look at the first. Most of the Ghana Premier League striker special beba ne so what I say, and he's bringing in so much confidence, and I think say Coach Tanko wa who players on my fan in sem, and he has actually made Shaibu once players have fun in sem wa yomu ho adwuma no. Abu players have fun in sem wa yomu ho adwuma no. Players have fun in sem wa yomu ho adwuma no, players ketwa, and he's definitely going to work on him and make sure so betimi continue about be a top player. And on my consistency in Mrasa and Nkoso now hope say at the end of the season Oji go kina yanko na bed no go tete di enibi. Aha, ni a left.
To be any bibi.
Say we are go monga. It was a run and near chapai. It will ever catch us or check it.
Abo liga yi wadi go kini ama watch as fa ko house ya. Yeah we.
Yeah, catch us or check it. But you see, I call am the issue no so.
Look, but you see, the bottom line is that. And now Sancho go ni bi. This is a proper number 9. Oh, yes. He was an eternal danger. Yeah, of course. Hey, born okay. Say how here was stadium wa. And who the man who years I didn't know. Henry Ansu's first intuition. Henry Ansu don't again senka or dane born. Not on the born in our abandoning pen or Daniel so. Oh yeah, Manga Baka Kanechi. No, I down and one blessing. And who the man like a born to him in the delivery. No,
but Henry Ansu ma.
Debbie, you see, wow, nena bobo debiano. Okay, and no no catch me or park no so no. Born the encounter ye park or pitch side. So person who ye tiasia. Hona do who your money. They didn't Hano rich in chinga maybe dibo fruit maybe no wenti ya on to the kosu. Wakasao, on it no di no more kasao. But still, that's a number 9.
Abu. Go one gun to us no cause I don't want to form no.
That's it.
To us e Karela. Kotoko so struggle so me strike be shegu. Accept na abana within that particular 2 period of time. Kebi akabukwale shegu said the last season no sheda. Kaza ko mo we grab me say game pim. But I'm call am the issue ni so.
Akomia.
Abudia. We so want to us ala.
Because about to only among us Bishop Akwaji Monga disara.
I don't mean ni.
I mean to you where.
Oh, Abu, what can Mr. Majid the other day?
Not Bishop Okanse. Where? You ask no. Apart from say, we are the way nyade no. So nya gidie mu bi. Oh. Now shin nkra.
Oh yes, of course, definitely.
Adwuma on. Shabi Ibrahim tankwaye no.
Definitely.
Go monga ho no. E say Ghana no hu papa.
Oh, of course.
Say me na no mi nya koya akọhwe brekum Chelsea ne ayi match di bi.
Karela.
Masa, Steven Awankuna.
It's also why you
power man confidence no.
It's also why you
Ojiboro no de ba. Minim ni power share is a kuna no.
Now man is
Mike call we ne be oba be my report be say. Is am Francis Finiama bi.
Top
net of is the assistant Finiama bi to say first no. Eyepe na refugee bibia no ka eze waja yo. Se zo attacking na.
Concentration in your born. Na no won go no share na. I want to go.
Boys, no.
Born a ton and national or prayer to say. And you see, it might not work for you at one place, it will work for you at another place. And any coach bia a coach bia how City and handle some players they will come good for them. Yeah, even a man on it, there are a lot of players be mukampunya they say we emfa. But Okobe before from say the Pakrono. And let's say for example, when Arsenal supporters in say the level of football Ganesha Kebo and Zabi Alonso. Football. He moves on, you might not appreciate him at some point in time. One coach will pick him, take him somewhere, and work. Hey, yeah, they are some. Abu Bakar Abu Lamta some more Kotoko supporters in Yabote. There are things where Lamta anymore. I'm not an expert in body language, but your course cook a yeah, special education at some point in time. You better psychology at some point in time. In someone I know. The whole body language, you know. In some, like there are things they are not happy about.
I mean, wow.
Bram.
When you video influence on Monkofa, I say Maxwell Ajiman, and I say Go Monga. But we interview no in a chekasa. Mary interview in a church. I'm an academic.
Yeah.
Mary video. Ajimano. Konamuho.
Sompa Sports.
Wow.
Wow.
Oh, church in
some hano. What you say? The interview was bet out of I say I didn't share the swana.
We all kaze yenim de ekoso now. What is going on? Mami ti kakra.
Anyway, to some shame. Yen de ekoso na because yen e park so na yabo yen de ekoso. The message that come o ma support so say am ko so an won arishemu ewe mu na yen go mo ni ma seda am ko so an support here because if you am support omu ni wa ni ho into the strong the local so fight am as an to player and as an to team no obo
ni ntia me go a video no me no guest round off ni di nkomo
la only di komo ezele oh okay
at the end of last season here
he say ni two bosses
now no mo sa de ko ball or sa de omo first man in the ball akra na obi sa awusu
omo ni Chelsea no
ha unhu so bem park no so
omo ni Chelsea
yeah omo matches ne baako obi asa awusu munti no e say on tina fie no healing nice
ono wanko ama no
David form no ko form onye nipa bi after Chan no let's be honest
na Chan no then am de ko ma boys no mo ko be ne bia obia mo de mo fem
say unya two bond dey fem pa okay so
e say Kotoku Royals ene aduana match na omo ball e wo dewu no dodo na didi say ena ma aduana anyi league no but aduana naturally omo didi say omo lusu league no Kumasi ba mo nka ma ne mba abonten
Kotoko match no
tada no na bibia ya line say aduana be she Kotoko 2-0 bibia no ma ye bia but then they were told since you tired than into insuration sha say to no one now VIP who said aduana contingent no omo nyina free hoko dressing room
yes
I feel no more say ko psyche boys ni dem aduana ba second half no be ka say nyomo na
a bog game no first half no
to mo mujidi say sa jam football no to net mo kada was done Kotoko be den e be say nkran de ani bi no mo ko show mo 1-0 no after that game Kotoko about 7 home games they are winless into Missy as a naturalist person akomia minim say aduana be Chelsea omo ba fie next match omo ni become Chelsea aduana boss am match no omo next game omo ba Kumasi enema mienu na be sisa match no ne Jeff mo friend Alpha and Omega on paibo mu obo mu no and I say Kotoko will have a lot of problems after that game. There won't be a common anything different. There won't be common ground kwaku say Kotoko the aduana best start on season
anase season
be be team no mo show mo last and some on be win home match no omo no mo sane on bebo and after that game they were winless asama me no kan ejina bibi so ntina me nka ai
bibi benzo
ka se Kotoko ne gu aduana season no
me kai ba
omo show mo no mo win match bi em
David
for the no me
ejina bibi so
of course okay
and there are a lot of complaints from
park no so
they know because you may kuti omo no so
onim de ntia hot ne nza no mo sa fa video de mra also look ya hu mi on the ball no 200 na me ne kasa o mu yo mu interview e we chi but the okay na mete ya had the ball no 200 no mi hu baby o the ball no 2 ye na me hu baby keeper ne gina there's no way say ball na o se pie me boy me nim sa share because ana ye ball no de bia anya normal say ball na nwrem
obi aties ye gina
look I don't know but it said the Peter Monde net ni ko gunsu no mu a omo ye ya no mu nya bi a afa Yesu say oh fa asa no gu ha na obi nya bi ono player ni nim say boy ya ma boy die e o say she ntino waku he was exasperated like and ono Richmond Lamptey no and one was say Gani you timi Gani you pray o sabon na Gani be fire no o pray and be no gina no o free left and the bar right be chase sabon
can promise
ai because bono ya had to no box na chisa no opia to Lamptey left no one control ball no crowd okay say nya highlights na no o release this shot I'm say akoyaku Karela for you say Gani you free you
ata really
no say prada o what is say wa bobi bim the body not Bobby Beam. But football, it's like this.
Abu, say the Bishop kind. This is after week 5. After week 5. Say no week 5 because week 4 ni ekomi. After week 5 you be hunu de be sini na de be twa no ho de aba nyina.
Adriana team we
dey. Because
Adriana team we
Okotoko Lions no asaba.
We kwa de Adriana team we kwa de Okotoko be show mo kroba.
Yate week 5 you be kan wasem. Na Abu mami
Adriana dey say mu da ho FC o.
Oh, ade na wo yo.
Ope so she Adriana. Well, that's the league law went to
Yen train week 5.
Awia.
Me see yen train week 5.
That's you le okaze.
Asema make
you so akọ okaze. Emu da o is Adriana the ope so show mo kwa be show. Ofa masem hu hia pa na me beke. Game aye kohwe yi. Enkula yi juvenile. Kama. But you see, the biggest challenge I realized on the pitch. Omo mu free upper west, upper east, northern region. Omo nye preview to pitch. AstroTurf.
Abu, omo bre papa.
Na sampa temu onye.
Ana wiano.
Ona na no de awakoye kakaka bi o. Sapa upper west was upper east. Ona na no de aba krono kwa.
Upper east.
Wenkogo. That's it bi o. I want to so mutrini o kakaza.
Na ben ye be team de o makọ Wenkogo no sin sin we.
Omu wie Wenkogo.
This na me say akobi akasem no kana e ma reko pa. Ene me raho. Me raho. Look, o man na if
ti AstroTurf bebrebe no. Look, how baby anu bi nko.
Upper West. Omu ni mbo pa. Me ba na bunu for na show mutu ni.
No babo no uzo bobo.
Omu ni mbo ni bo so.
O weje bola na pa.
O she boot na o country na pa no. Ba ko so ba otumi ka no wagina ho. Ewia no ne AstroTurf no. Ahye ni boot no.
Tamale for no northern region for mo bre.
Boss. The basic we have no phone cray. Pa no mafa. Empa omo. Mahwe Ashanti region similar. Central region cry the abu.
Accra so efukra.
Greater Accra. Central region ni Greater Accra.
Azo mo ne di abu.
Okay.
Efukra.
Greater Accra and Central region. That's what they be so na abu pa.
Efukra.
Okay. Ebe sempe for. Asem na reho.
Yera ho ne wu.
Coaches ni coaching nkra no. Omu nim se nkra ni mbobo. Banya nkra ne bono for no like this. Upper West ne bono region no. Bono af. Enyo mo ne bono af ne bo mo ne park ne na ebo. To mbobo no mbi dura ni mu no mo dure. Na pa mo no agya bo no na ne bo afu.
Baka grasa.
Komune ombo pa.
Adi AstroTurf bebrebe ya ye tiri kroma ye hobi bia na man fa bia nko.
Me say they call ho no mo bi mo use ya mo kan kire.
And they train on grass. Omo coach ni so train wo grass so.
Echina bi mai.
Omo coach ni nsem ni bi wo ho no ma boss beti.
Echina bi mai.
Omo train on grass so. Then they come and play on AstroTurf. Yes, so you don't know another na game one man no paju. Because grass.
I know you training ho.
Emu bie at least level ground.
Okay, me say me ma nka samro. Me ni papa east for na ko twitwa pictures. Omo hu me we watch you. Bro for man no kasa. This is my first time. I've not even gone to Techiman before. And you rep wa ho no. Senko nyamko ponhira GFA. Keto kreku ni o FA ni nyaminhira mo pa. Nyaminhira
Pa.
Nyaminhira ked ni FA for no. Ke meni ase atatai. Coaches ni ba ko. Upper West coaches ni ba ko ba me ho. Ye intra picture na yemfre akran no ba ko ma me. That was Saturday. Na me ne akran no ma me. You watch you some more to brofo. Can say akran no bobo na they are happy say akran no bo. Ke ma me ne say omako akwaje phone or radio, Upper West radio. And no mudi stream. On se bo ne ba YouTube.
Yeah.
Te ya na akran ne nam fofo ni nua mo nketua nyina. Omo hwe crowd. Look. Today you have no energy for can.
What it
means to these kids. And your ball no mo ball no. Okay. Why are they?
Obi live Techiba. We live Techiba.
Omo yo omo
na omo ko agrek.
Na baby omo da na say ND.
No me chairs omo wie tournament.
You be national champion here pebe. You be under 17 your database kakra ho a. You be team ahwe media under 17. But
database
na me can.
Mo ye sure zo me. Na mo dem national teams no mo squad da.
There be we ni enter KGL Inter-Regional Under-17 Championship aimed at unearthing the next talent.
No, China Ashanti region for us ebe bomb so. Ebi mo ani abre na omo peke obi obekọ Samzugu achi wo ba bi nu akọfa ba kra ni hunu kuma se da.
Gotoro.
Omo ti kromo ase ya ye selection bi o kromo ase omo de omo bo for. You see there are people there who coach omo coach senior high schools omo support other regions. All because they feel say players omo deserve say o say de omo bo no krampo no omo anye ho adwuma. You don't even have opposite players who say
but otin cry into obeyede
akrara kwa santama and otin
if akra na ba school
if you akra na ba school there
to papa ma great akra for
eno ni nanchen ojamu ni masema be ken wa sheda to wali ayira wonnim je be ken wa to wali ayira
asemu ya wo kan hu pa
ai free SHS
akra no oba santama bobo ma great
because
how
say free SHS in the man free cry ba school
and the school there baby I say juvenile there ye bono
akra na modern free case bet na ha no the ordinance night 2 bars kokko Messi no ono on cry
tie ba so no bebo
na oba school
John Obama cry for
Kenneth Sapon unum Kenneth Sapon
me ba bishop we no baby a within team na abo no baby a wo no na sale to fi o say ne no
but Kenneth Sapon has Kenneth Sapon ene me ni akomia mpanyifo bi ne be kasa e kire say Kenneth Sapon no ko case but no Obama greater cry anytime nti ono kwa na so me ku for especially o ye no wadwuma butu do sa
na coach so bi okuba so wadwa pa
a greater cry team no omo technical director
Lutro
and our coaches no led by Bekwe ni Abega
ti we no me ba omo course teams in there one omo select
teams a boy no mu regional champion district be the course team back boy but omo district championship district champion na greater Accra for no boy here no and omo call district championship no ko be teams na boy no aside team na qualify aba regional way no one na ya de wa players
ama maseso
na maseso mu
nyina do pa no mu de ni fi Dangbe West
ba ha de ne ntesa
oh wow that's the way in the past za boss so say no
most like can free sekwa
ona na ni sekwa
ni akra o gina park no so atimi se o ye uma area mu wonum na ye bobo a asore bo obobi town bo obobi like on na star player utim se oye bia
akomye sa na ye
ba ha nya sa
was o na wa koje ade ne dia ba ozo other teams no
the excuse we got na say nipa omo de ade ne hye ne sa okru mu ase no mo frɛ na no mo nya no
ai uni first no ni nim tatis on a man champions na no mo no wafu sa na ye bo wi akomye anim apart from the team na age no na kromo no man anim bo boro wagije obu players ni low no mo de oba bebo ka for you no ti last year ampem da kwanfo no ko be no mu say no so ma nye careful have other teams in the place ni be from there na and almost got to Toby we fra fi obukọ ye ro bakọje aba no sa na adwuma ne ye no meza utimi mfa nkwa uti ne ma mebo boy obo ni bi wa ko ye ne se bo ate se ho sei e na me ko mo crop selection no me ne be di ho ko boka
nipa na ye de share de sa no na se tournament na ben wi obo fre na
sabuto ka wo yaw
sabuto ka wo
bi sabuto li wo
no did the bibi call baby jet no boy back from Techima back free Sompa na back free Goso
and on my camp
no for technical team no dia masa
na o ma fa no mo de o ma ye
na rewo se mercy ni say o mo dan ntuntum bom kakra
ara o mo dan
no KNUST SRC hostel ntuntum o ti no ye be mobilize no china yakọ on ya ye kwa koto spray ni ade amom and o mo hia toiletries ni nsam na kakra ti bono champion ye cha apinapim ye be ko na etima kwa ya ebe ko na no arewo se mebom omudi omugu espolica mu besi ha no obi am from mu so mo tesen
one leader of delegation
eni bi
obi am
mu ni no ane coach ni nkura ye ni bi na aguni bi omukuba ya omu se omu ni nkura ni samna omudi bedwae de omudi besisi omu ni oma ni omu boxer kakra ene aduane ka enso se ye mo aduane na small chops kakra bi so
over the
no ama into Dr. Hanto the 500 cedis aba so mo fan hwe change so anu na o de mo
oba there eno so apostle e kwa aba be si RF for no sacho
na me kama se nti no ye de no aso anu kakra na second one na akobia bezo cab edu de edibu gwaze wu
si o de no man find on to
obia de ni coach Jeff aya de ama coach bia atade technical team no obia on atade o mo hwe edu mi nkwa me region no so a Sompa boni krumo no buno ho no omaja omatade no wusunyae omo ba den kom omo bo mo first match Saturday call pre-match ne catch omo so omo fa atade ne mra e na omo si o nyame ya adoma kwasiada na papa card beba kwasiada kan tu bunu ho ene dwo 2 o'clock ye call pre-match a bunu fo na ntade ne mai ehin every
yare ana sebi
omo eno no kra
the GFA na ya dey am the opportunity wa ma the platform empenifo so amubedi animu am ade na wie pay so a akoye bibi o adai
bono na every chairman ono we zo wajara adwuma no ono waja is opezo ba eskuwi ti brole de ai eze ayi na ebi asase ara bishop ole advice ara ti zo na ebi bia ti rap de nembre so ye badwuma no wajai o ka ke fa o rap nembre so ye adwuma no wajai
heavy you ba koto aso
mate I was me am kona me ko emi crew for but then I was me ru na me hu kwan mo fa so selective players because be tia se be bana ba bi be tia se
e de crew mo akra de ja da o mu di
de ba pe bi akola de aka to aso de ba be ba o chala ya ba be to aso